The Lord be with you. Good everyone. Today is Monday in our 15th week in Ordinary Time. And the Gospel is coming from St. Matthew chapter 10 verses 34, chapter 11 verse 1. Jesus reminded them, "Do you think that I have come to bring peace? No, I have come to bring division. Because there will be division even among families. Father against the son, daughter against the mother, mother-in-law against the daughter-in-law, father-in-law against the son-in-law." Isn't it quite ironic? Because come to think of it, we know that Jesus Christ is the King of peace. But why would he say he come not for peace but division? Well, Jesus Christ is just being realistic. He would like them to realize that not everyone will definitely accept him. And once there is someone who will negate what you believe, then there will be inevitable division. However, Jesus Christ is reminding all of us, even if there will be division, we have to hold on to our truth. Because in the end, in the kingdom of God, the only relationship that will matter is our relationship with our God, with our Creator. Of course, Jesus Christ is not promoting division per se, but He is just reminding all of us, when time comes, when even our families will hinder us from coming to Jesus, then it will always be setting aside the family, because God is our number one priority. However, do not forget how good it is if the whole family will journey together, will adore together, will pray together, will walk together in faith. Let that be our prayer, that no family will be divided. Rather, all members of the family will be united in one God. God bless you.